will teach you how to do soft light with the help of my dad. Welcome to Sion's Galaxy. We can use any type of cardboard. Foil sheet, draft paper, trace paper or butter sheet. Gum tape, glue or stick gum. Check the size in screen. We need 4 pieces, same size. Stick black craft paper. Inside stick foil sheet. Stick all cardboard together. Fix every corner perfectly. It's look like a pyramid. Take 4x4 cardboard 2 pieces. Take 9-volt LED bulb. Cut size of a bulb. Fix inside with gum. Another piece of cardboard. Fix in the holder. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't do yourself. Take parent help. Now stick backside piece with gum tape. Take butter sheet and perfectly stick with Fevicol in front side. It's almost finished and looks nice. Now our soft light is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.